Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on creating a portfolio using Wix, okay? Now in 2025, if you are a creative professional, for example a designer, an artist, a photographer or a writer, your online portfolio isn't just a nice to have, it's your resume, your business card and your storefront all in one. But building one from scratch can seem intimidating. Today, we're going to show you how to use Wix to create a stunning professional portfolio from start to finish. With no coding required, we'll cover everything from picking a template to showcasing your projects in the best possible light. Let's get started. Let's get ourselves to wix.com and let's click on Get Started. Okay, now it's going to ask us to sign in with our Google account, or we can just create one from scratch. In my case, I'm just going to sign in with Google. Great. And now in these two options here, I'm just going to select for myself, my business or friend, which is the case, okay, because I want to build a portfolio. And now, after you sign up, Wix is going to offer you two different paths. On the left, you have the artificial design intelligence, which is going to ask you questions and is going to build a site for you. It's very fast, but it's limited. For a portfolio, creative control is everything. So we're going with the option on the right, which is set up without a chat, okay? This is going to give us total freedom over the design. So let's click in here. Now, Wix is going to ask you what kind of website you want to create. You can select from these options, but let's actually be more specific and let's search for graphic designer portfolio, okay? This is as specific as we can be. Amazing. Now after this loads, let's just click on continue. Great. Now it's going to load our dashboard and we just have to give this a name, to our website. This can be customized later, so do not worry too much about it, but I'm just going to give this a random name. So yeah, let's click on continue. Now we're going to have the options of adding different apps to our website, okay? Now, the heart of our portfolio is actually going to be, the portfolio itself, the different pictures and all. And most Wix portfolio templates come with this special portfolio app already installed, okay? To manage our work, we don't actually do it on the page itself. We click on the portfolio section and then we click on manage projects, okay? But we will actually see this later. In my case, I'm just going to select, these two in here. Okay, my portfolio and my Instagram feed, but you can select as many as you want, okay? But portfolio is a must. Now let's click and continue to dashboard in here. Oh, and by the way, whenever you finish, guys, make sure to connect to your custom domain, okay? And you can actually buy that domain if you click on this button. If you click on make it yours, you can basically, buy this particular domain, or you can get it for free on a premium plan, which is not really free because you're paying for the premium plan. But yeah, this you can absolutely do, okay? So just make sure that you do it later, okay? In my case, I'm just going to focus on the other steps because I don't want to pay money for this now. Now let's click on actually add a project to our portfolio in here. So let's just click in here. Now you're going to have different options in here, and you can also do it without AI, but in this case I find it useful, so I'm just going to click on the different options, which is going to be, in my case, illustration art, okay? That's what my portfolio is going to be about. And now you just have to upload your, files, your pictures from your computer. And now we can just click on generate projects, and it's going to try to generate projects using AI, using these pictures. And what this is going to create is basically, a project title and a description of these images. That's going to try to combine them together, okay? And you can do this multiple times with different styles or different images that you might have, okay? I'm just going to click on create portfolio now. Now we can focus on the fun part, which is modifying the design of our website, okay? So just click on design site in here. And now we can do customize a template, or we can generate a design with AI. Like I said before, it is better if you do it with a template because AI is not, personal enough. So let's pick a template. As you can see, guys, it already filling graphic designer portfolio for me to give me all of the, similar templates that I can find, okay? So now you just have to basically explore on your own and try to find what's going to work better with your business, okay? Now this window is going to pop up that is going to say enhance your AI content. It says get personalized content across your entire site quickly by updating your info with more details. I definitely recommend that you do this in order to get rid of the generic tags and get your own tags, more in line with your actual business, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna give this a certain description. Now, if we go to the left panel, you can see that if we go to the pages section, and if we go to portfolio pages or to projects, we are basically going to be welcome with what we did before, okay, which is our portfolio creation. And as you can see here, we have our, the portfolio that we created basically, that is colorful, imaginative illustrations, okay? And we can access each particular, page in here by going to project pages. There you have it. Okay, amazing. You have the image that I uploaded before, and you can click on next project and so on and so on. So that's already implemented in here, guys. Now, what I like about Wix is that you can modify everything with just a single click, okay? So if I double click in here, Dean Raven, which is the name of this guy, I can just, modify this with my actual, name or username, and I can move this around to my liking. It's not very constricted, and I can just center it and do a bunch of things from here. So yeah, guys, you can modify so many stuff from here that is impossible for me to go through. If we click on here, for example, we can just change the background, okay? And you can even use AI to create a custom image. Okay, amazing. You can, of course, add a video if that's what you're looking for, or an image for your own computer, okay? Or even just like a blank or like a, solid color or a gradient, which is amazing. So yeah, modifying is just a matter of, clicking around and adding images and removing things that you don't want, basically, until you're happy with this page. You can also click on add page in here or add section, and you can add multiple sections. And you can also add different apps if you want to integrate different things into your page, such as e-commerce, Instagram, and so on, guys. This is actually very simple to use, okay? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much.